Hello everyone and welcome back right where we left off at the post name settings. So from here, now that we have this post name setting all set up and ready to go, now we're going to go and do a new post here. So you go up to post and click add new. This takes you straight away to your post, and we're just going to do post title here as just a regular post title, and then I'm going to come down here, and this is where you will enter in the body of your text. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some dummy text here. Okay, so I've got the dummy text in there, and now I'm just going to talk to you about the rest of this. So what you have here is where your post title is. Again, we changed this. This is your permalink URL. This is what we changed in the settings. So instead of having it be test.dev/to or something like that, it actually is the title and whatever is relevant to this post. So that's extremely important for things like SEO and just saying, hey, check out my website or blog post. It's test.dev/post title, right? It's a lot easier to remember than the number combination. So just looking to the right here, you'll see that you have save as draft, and if you're doing all your editing right here in WordPress, this is exactly what you want to do, is just click on Save Draft whenever you've entered in your text, and it will automatically start saving. You'll notice that I haven't actually updated anything here yet. Just as an aside, WordPress 3.7 has automatic updates, and so you still should make this a habit, though, of saving your draft. You also will see this preview button. And what that'll do is open a new tab on your browser, and it'll come up with your website and how it looks. So yeah, again, this is the fresh installation here, and as you can see, it's just the post title and the dummy text right here. And actually, just kind of looking at the front end, you can see that we actually already have this Hello World post ready to go. So looking back at this post title here, you'll see that the status is draft, visibility is public. You can change that to private and actually have it be password protected. And you'll see here there's this kind of editing bar here. If you click on this, this is the hidden kitchen sink stuff, and this actually brings up a lot more. So if you need to bold your stuff or italicize it, or do the cool strike through, if you need to change something to a bulleted list or a numbered list or something like that, center it, right justify it, whatever you need to do. You can also select different colors here for your text, underline, and then you can also full justify parts of your text as well. So feel free to just come in here and play around with these settings. The best way to really get your hands dirty is just to come in and play around. One of the things that has been added here recently is this format section. Obviously this is just text, so I'm just leaving it as standard, but if there was audio in there, it could take a different format. If there was images in here, it could take a different format. If you wanted to have this whole thing as a quote instead of a numbered text, right? You can do that in a couple ways. You can just have this be a block quote, and we'll just come back over to preview here, show you how that is. You can see how it's just at this XO small batch right there is what's actually just in quotes, or you can just do the whole thing. And what we'll do right now, just because we're running out of time, I'll just go ahead and click on publish and just publish it as is. It's not going to be very pretty, but once it's published, you can see that it's published, and I'm just going to click on view post and see exactly what it looks like. And in this particular version of WordPress, all the quotes have a different background, but yeah, you can see the block quote right here. So if you ever wanted to do something like that, this is how it's going to look. But again, just go back in and play around with it. But that's basically how you make your first post. Let me know if you have any questions. I look forward to hearing from you.